Infinix is the one brand that's come out swinging in 2025. The entire Note 50 series is clearly gunning for the top spot in the affordable segment, and the Note 50s 5G Plus is no exception. And no, this isn't a paid review. बस phone genuinely अच्छा लगा, and for 16,000 rupees, you can take this to the bank. The first thing I have got to shout out is just how slim and light the Note 50s is. It weighs only 180 grams and comes in at just 7.6 millimeters. Honestly, इस price पर ऐसी build quality मिलना rare है. Side by side with other phones, it just looks so sleek. Infinix even claims it's the slimmest phone with a 3D curved display in this segment. I've got the titanium grey variant, which looks pretty much the same as the Note 50X. But अगर आप थोड़ा स्टाइल चाहते हो तो ब्लू वेरिएंट ले लो, and it has a vegan leather back, and सुनने में उससे खुशबू भी आती है. The back and frame are plastic, but Infinix ने एक special metallic finish दिया है जो काफी premium feel देता है. You will definitely see fingerprint smudges on the back panel, but चिंता मत करो, you do get case in the box. Now about that camera module. Infinix calls it a gem cut design. It's flashy and I get that. They're trying to stand out in this dunia full of boring rectangles. But honestly, मेरे लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. I just wish the module was a bit smaller. But हाँ, design is totally subjective. क्या पता आपको पसंद आ जाए? The phone also comes with Infinix's active halo lighting. That does it all. Calls, notifications, charging, gaming and voice assistant. Personally, मुझे ये notification के लिए ही useful लगा. But it's definitely a cool feature. The Note 50s also holds its own when it comes to durability. You get IP64 dust and water resistance and military grade certification. JBL tuned dual stereo speakers भी मिलते हैं. They are not super loud, but the bass is clean and doesn't distort. There's an IR blaster on top and also an in-display fingerprint scanner that's surprisingly fast and reliable. Now let's talk about the display, because honestly, it's one of the best I have ever seen in this price range. लेकिन थोड़ा mixed feelings है. You are getting all the good stuff. A 6.78-inch 10-bit AMOLED panel, rich colors, deep blacks and a fast 144Hz refresh rate. Outdoors भी काफी bright है and those curved edges give total flagship feel. But अगर आप gaming के fan हो, those curves can be a bit annoying, especially when you are trying to grip the phone during intense sessions. Also, the 144Hz refresh rate only works in the settings page, phone and message app. बाकी सब जगह it dials down to 120Hz. So honestly, मुझे तो ज़्यादा difference feel नहीं हुआ. But for content and casual use, this display is fantastic. चलो अब थोड़ी बैटरी की बात कर लेते हैं. And if you had asked me in 2024 whether a 5500 mAh battery was impressive, I would have said yeah, definitely. लेकिन दोस्तों, this is 2025. और अब तो लोग 7000 mAh के भी ऊपर चले गए हैं. That said, for a phone this slim, it's very good. I got a full day's use out of it. Gaming, streaming, scrolling, सब कुछ करा. And it held up like a champ. The 45-watt fast charging is also solid, and there's bypass charging as well, which powers the phone directly instead of the battery, so ज़्यादा heat भी नहीं होती. The battery and charging performance is right on point for a budget phone. बस अगली बार Infinix थोड़ा और जूस दे दो यार. मोटा फोन चलेगा लेकिन ज्यादा बैटरी तो बनती है. परफॉर्मेंस और सॉफ्टवेयर के मामले में Infinix Note 50s is punching way above its class. Dimensity 7300 Ultimate नाम थोड़ा फिल्मी लगता है, but it's basically the same chip as the regular 7300 and it still holds up strong. Antutu scores show it's just 3.5% behind the newer Dimensity 7400 on the Moto Edge 60 Fusion. Geekbench भी same story है. But the real flex is that it's 8GB LPDDR5X RAM on both 128GB and 256GB models. That's insane for this price. Storage is UFS 2.2, not blazing fast, but daily use के लिए more than enough. UI is snappy, app switching is smooth, कोई lag नहीं. BGMI runs great on HD Plus Ultra, but switch to smooth extreme and it's very smooth. 90 FPS का claim है, BGMI में नहीं मिलेगा. लेकिन Call of Duty में you actually get it. Now software, Android 15 with XOS 15. थोड़ा bloatware है but manageable. Fun stuff like a mini dynamic bar, music gestures and gesture call pickup keep things interesting. और फिर आता है AI suite. AI writing, image gen, object eraser, circle to search, but also practical tools like a document assistant, translator, and a surprisingly useful Folex AI assistant. And yes, 2 years OS plus 3 years security updates. Budget phone के लिए solid commitment. Camera time, 64 megapixel Sony sensor plus एक 2 megapixel moral support lens. But ignore the 2 megapixel, the main camera delivers. Shots are punchy, vibrant and straight up Instagram ready. 2x zoom भी shockingly usable है, even in low light. Selfies from the 13 megapixel front cam look natural, not fake. Video में you get 4K 30 FPS on both front and back with decent stabilization and only minor crop. Ultra wide नहीं है, which would have been nice. But for 15,999 rupees, I'm honestly not complaining. Now, it goes on sale from April 24th. Not sure if that offer will still be there, but अगर मिल गया तो it's a solid deal. iQOO Z10X जैसे rivals offer a 6500 mAh battery and faster UFS 3.1 storage. But the Note 50s is one of the most well-rounded phones right now. Fast RAM, AMOLED screen, ad-free UI and a solid main camera. भाई, इस प्राइस पे और क्या चाहिए?